Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account with HelloFresh. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start paying for HelloFresh using your PayPal account just because you recently just started using PayPal. But either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is click on the upper right-hand side, our name, and then click on Account Settings. Now, once you click on Account Settings, you're going to see this Payment tab here. Click on Payment, and then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Change Payment beside the current payment that you currently have. So once you click on that, you're going to see an Add button over here, and then it's going to automatically select credit card as an added payment method. What you want to do is scroll down and then click on PayPal. So once you click on Add, it's going to prompt you to actually log into PayPal and just follow a series of prompts to actually go ahead and confirm that you want PayPal added to your HelloFresh account. Now, once that's all set up and connected, you should be able to pay HelloFresh orders with your PayPal account. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with HelloFresh. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.